Got this 1998 Dodge Ram 2500 V10 with a rip in the seat. There's a new cover. So it's asking me to follow these here instructions to get the new cover onto that seat. Let's see what we can do. Okay, I removed Phillips screwdriver there. This here is the handle part. And then there's one more that goes right in the back right here that I got removed. That should be able to take off this piece here. Maybe unclip it from the electric there. Under the seat we have these 10mm bolts. There's one there. There's one I just took off right there, and two in the back. Let's get those off. I've got the bolts off the front and the back, and look at that. Comes right off. So now we're going to need to peel off the old seat cover. It's just connected by these little rails. 1, 2, 3, and 4. Once you pull those off, then we can put this new one on right there. When you're pulling them off, they have these little lips underneath that make it kind of difficult. Put a little tug and it comes right off. As you can see, I'm kind of peeling it off, and there it goes. Alright, now I've got it off all 4 sides. So I just need to peel this one off and put the new one on. Fairly simple. Did take a little bit of muscle to get that rail off of there, but it can be done for sure. I suppose you could probably use a screwdriver too, but I did not have to. I just kind of peeled them, and then here we have the seat, and looks like there's a little Velcro there. Kind of helps it stick to the seat, and this little clip that holds it in there, gonna need to take off as well. Let's get that done. Here's a better view. There's 3 clips right in here. Get some needle nose pliers and pull those out. Then I can reattach them with the new seat. They're actually metal rings, so I was able to detach them from the rings, and then I can put them back together when I put the new one on. There are the rings. Right there. See a little better with the light. Just bend them back in with the new one. Alright, so I'm going to turn this seat inside out so I can match this piece up here with these hooks. Make sure those get in there nicely. And then I can attach this side here into the Velcro area. Maybe clean that out real quick first. Then I can form the seat around the cushion, put everything back together. Alright, now those rings are on. Just need to set the fabric in place, wrap it around. I'll show you what that looks like. You come underneath here and you set these into place. Go pretty quickly and easily. And then firm it out on the bottom, or I guess what would be the top of the cushion. Screw it into place, and new seat cushion. Alright, seat's on. Looks good. Just gonna screw these in, and that'll be it. And there you have it. Nice new seat cover in the truck. Hope you enjoyed it. Have a great day.